Upcycler Seller Tutorials. Today we will see how to complete a seller profile. Since you have already registered with us, you would have updated your address, which is your default billing or shipping address, which is where technically all your pickups will happen from, and the right phone number. And we would have already made you seller by now. So the third step for you now to do after your KYC is complete your seller profile, for which you must ensure that your shop title, if it is missing, we just put shop title over here. Contact number, I will put something, right? And then you have to leave this blank. Now, what are the important fields is you must have a company banner for your shop front to look proper. And I have already kept my banner somewhere saved, so I will just select that. The banner dimensions, as you can see, is 700 by 100 pixels for better look. So you can put your little logo with some of your, crafty items that you have, or any item that you would like. You can put that as a banner. Then in here, you must select your company logo. The best way to show logo is a 200 by 200 pixel or 300 by 300, so that it doesn't go beyond the page. Company locality, where do you belong? Kerala, you can put state or city, it doesn't matter. And then press tab to come to company description. Now this is the better it is how you have explained on your site or something, you can go ahead and do that. I have already kept a file right now, so I will just copy it from here and I'm going to paste it over here. If you can see, it's already there. Now, if you have any unique return policy, then you can actually put that. Otherwise, I would suggest you can just go in line with the Upcycler return policy, which is of 10 business days. And you have to ensure you select the country to India. Any meta keywords or meta description, we leave that to you. And then you can also see that the KYC information you gave us, that is over here. Now the most important thing for us to be able to pay you is you must put your account number. So I'm just going to randomly put something that I have, and I'm just going to put test and I will put it to say savings. Ideally you should have a current account, not savings, because it's a company. And one of the most important thing in here is you must have a Facebook ID that you will select. Now if you don't have a page, for now I will select, you can just type anything and in here mention as your. So the system does not give us error while we were trying to bulk upload any of the information for you in the background. And that's it. Please don't push this button. This button is only for payment details if you have any remarks here that you want us to look into. But this is what your seller profile would be like, and I will just say save profile. And voila, that's done. So you can see that, you can see your logo, you can see pretty much everything. And I will, now I can actually go ahead and add the products. So if I go see my product list, I have this particular product already added. If I click here, it will take me to the main site where the product is. And you can see that I can see the brand name over here, which is sold by who. So if I actually want to visit this shop, now this is how my shop front looks like. So if you would like your shop front to be a lot more populated, lot more, better, you can put that. And the more social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever, we have available in our, you can actually mention all those links here and they will all be working as well. Whatever products you add will all come over here, and your return policy is showing here. If you were having any separate shipping policy, that will show up here. So you can see that this is how a seller front looks like, provided you complete your seller profile, and that is a must for us to be able to bulk upload your products in the background. Thank you very much.